Does that penguin like you, Bear?
Yeah.
That's the one with the blue. Do it again. He likes to play. Go across. Drag him across. Go, go, go. Now come back this way fast. Now go the other way. Do it again. Here he comes. Do it again. There he goes. And again. That is funny. Get a breath. Here he comes again. Do it, do it, do it. He wants you to run back and forth. Aww.
Will it let you get on the mark?
Go, go, go. Swim, swim, swim. Here comes another one. He wants to play too. He feels left out. Do it, do it. Now go fast the other way. Go the other way. Run, run. Now come back this way. Now go the other way. Go, go.
Oh my God.
Now come this way. That is cute, huh? Okay, say bye, penguins. Maybe they'll follow you to the other side. See if they'll follow you across the rocks. Oh. He's looking for you. Where's his friend? Oh, there he is.
I want to keep playing with them. I never did this.
Oh, they followed Dad.
Hey, Dad. Go on the other side.
Yeah, Dad, you're ruining it. It's like B-Bell. That is so cute.
Mom, I want.
Do that all day.
Please, fun, 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 fun. Penguins. Say bye-bye, penguin. That's the one that likes it so much. The blue.
Mom, I want to keep playing with them.
Do it. Do it again. Go across. And then drag him across again. Run, run, run. Yay. Do it again. Gotta get air. Go. Go, Harry, go. Now go again.